Let's create a project for Visual Studio Code. Open folder. Then let me choose a folder here, a new folder. Let's name it as a singly linked list. S list. S means a singly linked list. There. So we are going to have the same node structure, node.h, node.cpp. Also, we are going to have a slink class, slist class for singly linked list implementation, slist.cpp, and then we are going to have an application code or test code in main.cpp. So the node class will be the same as a infinite queue or stack implementation. Pragma once class node private int data node pointer link and public we will have a constructor node there. So that's the structure, and then we are going to have a friend declaration, friend class slist. It's there. And one of the common mistake, semicolon, and then node.cpp include, and then define the constructor there. We are going to have a data there, and then data member is initialized, and the link member gets null pointer. That, and then we need to include IOStream for the null pointer definition there, and then in node.h constructor takes a data there. So that's a basic definition of a node, and we are going to have a Makefile for multi-file project, a.out for Mac or in Linux, a.exe for Windows. Node is separately compiled, slist is separately compiled, main is separately compiled. Then put together those ones to produce a.out. Node.o we need to compile node.cpp, and the node.cpp will include node.h. So compile only with a debug symbol .cpp file slist.o. I need to compile slist.cpp. I haven't written the code yet, but slist.h should be included to compile .cpp, and the node.h node structure is used. Compile only with a debug symbol slist.cpp, and then main.o main.cpp is compiled, and slist.h, because I need to create the slist object there, -c -g main.cpp. That's a Makefile definition. So at this moment, I want you to configure the debug mode of the Visual Studio Code, and then continue with the next video.